Section 3132, Example 1. Identify the following as odds or probability. Keeping in mind that probability is our favorable outcomes over the total, and odds could be the favorable outcomes to the unfavorable, our odds in favor, or odds against. We could have our unfavorable outcomes to the favorable outcomes. So let's take a look at A. The chances of rolling a 1 on a fair six-sided dice is 1 over 6. So 1 is our favorable outcome. And the number of possible outcomes on a six-sided dice are the numbers from 1 to 6. And there are 6 possible outcomes. So this 6 is representing the total possible outcomes. We have, in this instance, favorable outcomes over the total. So this describes probability. Part B. The chances of drawing a 4 from a standard 52 card deck is 1 to 12. So first of all, let's look at the number of possible ways to draw 4. We can have the 4 of hearts, 4 of diamonds, 4 of spades, or the 4 of clubs. There are 4 favorable outcomes. So looking at our ratio of 1 to 12, this must mean that this ratio has been reduced. Our favorable outcomes is 4. So this must have been multiplied by 4, which means the 12 must be multiplied by 4, 48. So the question is this 48 our total outcomes or is it our unfavorable outcomes? Our total possible outcomes are 52 cards. Our unfavorable is our total number of cards, subtract our favorable outcomes. The total number of cards are 52. Our favorable outcomes is 4, leaving us with 48. So this ratio is describing the favorable outcomes to the unfavorable outcomes. So this question is an odds problem, and more specifically, it's favorable to unfavorable. So it's odds in favor of an event happening.